Do you know how to cut things?
Yeah, can cut
Keep
it.
asking this question. Yeah, and it's not answered yet.
I think he knows how to cut things.
Can you start cutting things?
Get the garlic. We're gonna we do one.
Alright. A whole garlic.
That's
A
terrible.
whole garlic.
Is that a
A
good
whole
idea?
garlic. Yeah, that's a great idea. Yeah, just cut it like that. You don't need to peel it.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Do you feed it to the dogs?
No.
Why not?
I eat it later.
You're so
whole onion.
slow.
He was about to do that, just like.
I'm gonna cut myself and do that.
I know, I'm kind of scared.
Do you have a bigger knife?
I think I got the
Give me
efficient
it.
one. I got the bad one. Never mind.
You got the bad one.
The strength of it.
You
is
just
insane.
broke that garlic. Probably 3 or 4 cloves is enough.
3 or 4 cloves. Do you hate flavour, Arlo?
Oh my god.
Flavour.
What is this?
This
What are you doing?
This knife is awful. I usually have like a big.
What is this chopping method
You-
for garlic?
You just cut it, okay? Done.
What are you doing?
Shut up.
The knife is
I don't
big.
do my thing.
What's wrong with the knife?
It's not big enough. I need a
Get
bigger
a
knife.
bigger knife then.
It's a bigger knife.
What's wrong
with this
What's
garlic?
wrong?
There is no bigger knife.
I think it's just weak.
And I
No,
also
we
have
just-
a massive knife.
This is.
You're going to lose a finger. How do they normally do this? They like.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's perfect.
And
Yeah.
let me just, let me just-
That's perfect. Yeah, that's lovely. Look how cut up that is. I think we've success. Yeah, we've won. We beat the garlic.
It is spicy actually.
Why
Yeah,
are you
it is.
eating it? What is wrong with you?
Then
I'll
it
try
tastes normal.
Oh my god, that's spicy. Really spicy.
Sweet the onion.
Do you know how to cut up an onion?
You do?
No,
No, I do.
Other side.
Yeah, okay, whatever. I know.
No.
You chop it in half, don't you?
Oh my god, you're not even chopping it half down the sensor. That's so annoying.
Did you wash your hands?
Oh.
We're cooking it anyway. There's no need to.
Yes, there is. There definitely is.
No, there isn't. What are we gonna actually have on our hands that's
Wash
so
your hands, Mum.
bad? Ebola.
Alright, let's see this
Ebola.
expert technique. I mean, that's alright. But
Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do.
You're not using the bridge and claw method, like
yeah, you
food
need to use the
method.
bridge and claw.
Oh, sorry. that seems like a way worse method. No, I'm using this method. Yes, you go like that.
What is this?
There you go through the middle.
What are you doing?
There you go through the middle.
It's
and
not
then
a
you-
mango.
Can I just say, you might want to chop off the end? Like
No, that more flavour.
No,
You did it in the worst way possible.
I don't know why you went.
Don't judge my cooking methods.
Like everything was fine until you went horizontal.
it's to get finer pieces, then you get more onion per rice.
That is quite a lot of onion.
The sink is very frisky today.
That's a lot of onion.
There's a lot of onion compared to the rice. You're gonna have to cook this for a long time.
No, we won't. We'll
Especially with
you
the
like
garlic.
the taste of raw onion?
Oh my god.
No.
You have brain rot. You know that, right? Does it taste good? It smells like apple.
It tastes like that, right? It does.
So, how many of you,
You
here
need to
like the
cook it
taste
for
of
a
raw onion?
while.
I've never actually tried raw onion.
Oh, you can have a piece.
I haven't ventured to try raw garlic.
Oh, you should.
You should.
Onion?
Yeah.
I want to throw up.
I think we should add more garlic.
No,
What are you doing?
we don't need more garlic.
If I'm hungry.
I can show you how to. Oh my god.
What
Go.
is wrong with you? There's
You
a
are
full
actually
clove
gonna-
of garlic. Is that a bin or is it just a random drawer? That looks really dumb.
Can I crack the egg?
It's so weak.
Just clean the egg.
You cracked it.
Oh
Oh my god. You just like.
Guys, what?
You've
got so much shit in that. What is wrong with you? I don't want to waste it, but like.
Oh, can dogs eat egg?
Dogs can eat egg, yeah.
That is so
Can they eat
much.
shell?
That's actually
Yes, they
so
can
much
also eat
eggshell.
Give me two. Give me two.
Put it down.
What is it? It looks like.
What?
Stick it in.
Feels so bad.
I know that's hot. You just.
It's awful. No, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Yeah, that's much better, see?
Don't worry.
You've used all the
No,
eggs.
no. Oh. That's enough. Please. Oh my god. How is there a bit of garlic in here? I don't. Wait, no, wait. Can I just like borrow this for a second?
Have you washed your hands to clarify?
Yes, I just did.
Right, that's gonna
Wait,
make
What
it more
in
eggy.
earth?
It's gonna make it more eggy. You should probably put like oil and heat it. Alright, this is way more interesting. Whatever Monty's doing. Look at this. What is this?
What are you doing?
How do we set it off? I said it's a 0. That's 9, no.
This is what brain damage looks like.
Is this good?
Oh,
You're so, what do you mean is it good? You can still see the egg
Why
whites.
no?
Oh, you've also put it in the rice.
We also have to mix that as well. That's the egg done. That's why I wanted a big bowl.
The more we progress with this, the less I want to eat it.
Well, it'll taste great. I'll eat it first.
Yes, please do. And see what it
Don't.
tastes
No,
like.
that's still got dog spit on it.
One
You're
dog.
so attached to that one egg.
Do we want to put this in?
I mean, no.
Can I drink it?
No.
You want to put what's in the
We
other
don't
bowl
have
in?
any more eggs. If you drink it, what are we gonna do?
Have you guys got a spoon? That's a good question.
Got Monty.
I hope I'm going to see a fully edited video.
Yeah, you are. Don't worry. With subtitles and all, isn't that right? That looks good enough to me. That's usually when I put the rice in.
Well, it's not even warm.
What?
It's because the top's off.
It seems hot enough to me.
Slightly hot.
There's no heat whatsoever.
That it's hot enough. How are you so skinny? You've not been able to resist eating everything. You've eaten the raw onion and the raw garlic.
Warming up. It's turning on.
Yeah. What are you doing to my poor camera? My whole phone is going to smell of garlic now. It's me, Master Chef Goose. He's getting warmer. He's warming up. Oh wait, the oil's bubbling a bit.
Right, it's going in.
Don't cook it. It's really strong.
Yeah, that sounds like nice to me. I'm making epic scrambled egg, Monty. I feel like I've forgotten something, but I can't be bothered to figure out what.
No,
at
that's
that.
not salt.
No, that's pepper.
I think more soy sauce.
Is there any salt in this? We don't need
We
salt.
don't need any.
If it tastes bad, we'll add Bailey's.
You got any tablecloths?
Just that's in the middle.
Yeah.
Oh, I got a bit of egg yolk on
Don't
me.
need, no, I would eat on a table which isn't contaminated.
What do you mean contaminated? You're so weak. Come on, that is a lot more rice than I was expecting. How are we gonna eat that? Not with a knife, it's rice, Monty. You could just use the fork. Actual brain damage.
There's raw egg on the table and I don't fancy touching something.
Right, doesn't taste too great. Raw egg is fine. Raw onion adds to the crunch that you're missing.
What does the raw garlic add?
Spice.
Well, he's having the first bite, so
Thank you.
we'll get a full spoonful. No. We're all gonna catch
So
it.
the onion's definitely not cooked. The onion is not cooked.
The onion is not cooked.
Oh, there's a problem there. It's a little bit more.
I haven't tasted a bit of garlic yet, which is making me scared.
Come on, Laurie. Don't be scared. So is this better than pot noodle, Monty?
No, I can tell you that now.
I can go for one.
Oh my god, the garlic is not cooked. It's still spicy. It's not meant to be spicy.
The garlic is so not cooked. It's so annoying. You're the only one complaining about it. I've not experienced a single piece of raw garlic yet.
Have you eaten the
You
garlic?
that's because you don't know what a single piece of cooked garlic tastes like.
Actually, no. I do just get a bit of garlic. It's not that bad. So it's more like just extra spice in it.
It's not meant to